Did you know that the residents of Philippi were very proud to be Roman citizens? They followed the laws and customs of Rome, even though they lived far from the capital. It is in this context that the Apostle Paul presents a revolutionary challenge. He calls us to live as citizens of a far greater kingdom, conducting ourselves in a manner worthy of the gospel, no matter where we are. Above all, live your life in a manner worthy of the gospel of Christ, so that you may stand firm in one spirit, striving together for the faith of the gospel. Philippians 1:27. Often, our behavior changes depending on who is watching us. But what about when no one is looking? Paul emphasizes the importance of integrity, urging us to live with consistency, where our actions speak as loudly as our words. To live in a worthy manner is to keep our testimony alive, whether in the presence or absence of leaders and mentors. Finally, Paul reminds us that faith is not an individual pursuit. He calls us to stand firm in one spirit and to strive together. A life worthy of the gospel is revealed through unity and cooperation when we set aside our differences and move as one body for the message of Christ. In everyday life, this unity appears in small and often unnoticed gestures: patience with the mistakes of others, mutual support in times of difficulty, and the refusal to feed division. Living the gospel daily means understanding that our spiritual growth is deeply connected to the well-being of our brother and sister. Remember this: your life may be the only Bible many people will read today. So do not worry only about speaking the gospel, but about becoming the gospel in motion. To live worthy of Christ is to walk in righteousness in silence and to act in love amid the noise of the crowds. May your steadfast spirit become a safe harbor for those who are lost, and may your conduct be a quiet invitation for others to discover the light that dwells within you. If this moment spoke to you, stay a little longer. This channel exists for those who need silence and a pause from the noise of everyday life. Thank you for walking with us through this reflection. And may this space continue to be a refuge for your heart and a place of strengthening for your faith. May the peace that surpasses all understanding guard your heart and your mind. May the Lord steady your steps and illuminate your path, so that your life may overflow with the dignity of the gospel in every word and in every silence. Go in peace, under the Father's blessing and care. Amen.